Hey guys, so I have a couple of hauls to talk about today. So I went back to Hobby Lobby and they did have some markdowns. It wasn't a lot, but it was the stuff that I wanted in the art department. So yay. So now this was actually in the bridal department, these gold pens. So I thought that I would pick these up. They were 74 cents, and I don't see what point they are, but like I don't know if they're like a 0.5 or whatever. But anyway, I went ahead and picked that up. And then now these weren't on clearance, they were on sale. They're 40% off. So anything with the Paper Studio or Happy Planner was 40% off. Which, you know, I thought about it for a minute because, you know, a lot of times they do 50% off. But I guess because they added the Happy Planner with it, they did 40%, I guess. I guess that's the way that went. I find that this size is really good for especially like the Hobonichi and these smaller planners like pocket planners and stuff like that. So I picked this up because I really like it. I think it's really cute. I love these colors. I thought that's really pretty. And none of the Easter stuff is on sale, but they do have the St. Patrick's Day stuff on sale. I didn't grab any. And that's that. And then I picked this up. I thought this looked really useful. So you get 3 of them, even though you only see 2. And they're made in the like the agenda style, but I guess you could use it for disc. But I don't have to have mine with me, so that what I meant is, you know, I don't have to have mine inside the booklet. So anyway, so I thought that these images are really useful. So I picked these up. And I'm going to give these a try. So they were 40% off of $7.49. All right. And then we have what I really went for. And I went Saturday, but they didn't have any of this marked down. And I could see that the workers were getting together to go do it because they was actually discussing it. So I wanted to go yesterday, but I just didn't. I didn't do much yesterday. So I just crossed my fingers and hoped it was there today. And it was. So here we go. The brush pen markers, tombow, and they were $14.99. They are now $3.74. And these are colors I'm sure I do not have. So I'm pretty happy to pick these up. And I'm really sure I probably don't have these. Now, they did have some other tombow brush markers. They were not on sale, so I don't think that they're like clearancing out the whole line like they did with Copic. Now, Copic, everything looked like it in my particular store. Everything was on clearance, which makes me think that they getting rid of it. Like, I don't think that they're going to be carrying Copics anymore because all of it was on clearance. So this is really useful. I seem to use gray a lot. So, it was nice to pick up another one of these because I have this one already. All right, and then now this I already had this. I just put these in here. So these are the colors that they had left, and I tried to get all the ones that is useful for skin color. So I have not found my combination yet. You know, I see that a lot of people, they have their own combination that they really like. I haven't gotten to that. So anyway, hopefully I can find it. And then I thought that these were just interesting. Now they had the packs that were on sale. They were like $32 all the way down to like $8.74. But I didn't pick up any of those. I thought about it, but I didn't. Because actually when you get them in the pack, they are a little bit cheaper. Like these are $1.97 a piece. If you get them in the pack, they do come out a little bit cheaper. But I just went ahead and picked my own colors. All right, and then over in the wedding aisle, they had some of these, and I just got the ones that I thought were really, really pretty. That ribbon to me is just gorgeous. So I picked that up. And this one, I could see using this on a lot of stuff. And this one, I thought this one was really pretty. They had a lot more. They had a lot of tulle, a lot of ribbons on sale. But these are the only ones that I got. And I only got one kind of tulle. I like to use these sometimes to make shaker, like shaker tags. But anyway, I went ahead and picked that up. And that is everything I got from Hobby Lobby. I kept wanting to say Tuesday morning. All right. And then I have a peachy cheap deal to share. Let's see what's in here. So I thought that this one was really, really cute. I do have some pieces that go with this. So I went ahead and got this so I can hopefully complete the collection. I thought these was really, really pretty. I have another collection that's similar to this. It's got bees, honeybees in it. And I thought that this would be really, really cute together. And then you get the stamp set with this one. So I picked that up. And I really like these stickers. I thought that this is really pretty. All right, so that is my peachy cheap deal. So that's what's in those. All right, and so that's that. And then I have a box, and I'm not even sure. I couldn't tell where this is from, so it's actually going to be kind of a surprise. All right, so all I did was cut the tape. Okay, so let's see what this is. Oh, shoot. This is just my Epson photo paper. So I was thinking maybe that was one of my pens. But anyway, that is all I had to share today, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.